What's up, tech fans, and welcome back to Google Trends Hub. We're kicking things off with a trip down memory lane to uncover the unsung hero that paved the way for Google itself. Long before the search giant we know today, this groundbreaking engine was already indexing the digital world, laying the foundation for how we find information online. We're talking about Archie, the true OG of search, and its incredible story is just the beginning. Next up, we're looking at massive investments that are shaping our future, but not without controversy. Google is pouring billions into a new data center project in Chesterfield, Virginia. But as this tech giant expands, the local community is grappling with rising energy costs and environmental concerns. Is this massive investment a win for progress, or is it coming at too high a price for residents? Then, we're diving into the trenches of cybersecurity with a story that will make you rethink your inbox. Imagine threats neutralized before they even hit you. That's the mission of Aegis AI, a new startup founded by former Google security leaders. They've raised a massive $13 million to build autonomous AI agents designed to fight off phishing and malware. Can AI truly be our shield against the ever-evolving email attacks? And finally, get ready for a major shakeup in the retail advertising space. Criteo and Google are joining forces in a groundbreaking integration. This partnership aims to supercharge onsite retail media, connecting advertisers with shoppers in a whole new way. We'll break down how this alliance could redefine online shopping and advertising as we know it. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these stories. And as always, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Before Google, there was Archie, the true father of search. Think search engines are a Google-only game? Think again. Long before the iconic search giant dominated the digital landscape, a foundational tool named Archie was already indexing the internet, paving the way for how we discover information online. Launched on September 10, 1990, Archie was the brainchild of Alan Emtage, a postgraduate student at McGill University. His motivation wasn't world domination, but a practical need: sourcing software for his fellow students. As Emtage himself recalled, necessity is the mother of invention, and he simply needed a way to find the resources he was responsible for. He collaborated with colleagues Bill Heelan and Peter Deutsch to bring this early vision to life, creating a text-based interface that allowed users to search FTP archives. It's crucial to remember that Archie predates the web as we know it. Emtage noted that Archie operated on anonymous FTP archives, lacking the discovery phase that the web introduced. Users had to be more proactive in finding resources. Despite its limitations compared to modern search, Archie's core functions, crawling, indexing, and retrieval laid the groundwork for what was to come. The 1990s saw a surge of more advanced search engines like Jughead and Veronica, followed by Yahoo in 1995, and finally, Google in 1998. Google's genius, Emtage points out, was harnessing human knowledge through algorithms like PageRank, which capitalized on the power of hyperlinks to determine relevance. While Google now commands nearly 90% of the global search market, it's a testament to its innovation, but also a reminder of the debt it owes to pioneers like Archie and the many search engines that bridged the gap. Don't go anywhere, because the future of tech investments is sparking debate, and we've got the full story next. Stay tuned as we explore Google's massive new data center project and the community concerns it's raising. Google's $9 billion Virginia bet: data centers, energy costs, and community impact. Google is making a colossal investment in Virginia, announcing a $9 billion expansion that includes a new data center in Chesterfield. But this significant tech growth is colliding with local anxieties over soaring energy costs and environmental strain. This massive investment, announced by Governor Glenn Youngkin and Google President Ruth Porat, will bolster existing facilities in Loudoun and Prince William counties while initiating construction on the new Chesterfield site by year's end. However, this expansion is happening concurrently with Dominion Energy's proposed monthly rate increases for customers, projected to add over $21 to energy bills by 2027. The State Corporation Commission is currently reviewing these proposals, with decisions expected in December. Northern Virginia is already a global hub for data centers, with millions of square feet approved and under construction. Environmental advocates, like Julie Bolthouse of the Piedmont Environmental Council, argue that the current energy rate structures disproportionately burden consumers, urging for data centers to bear a higher share of the costs. Dominion's proposal includes a new rate class specifically for data centers, requiring a 14-year contract to ensure cost recovery. The environmental impact extends beyond energy consumption. VCU professor Damian Pitt highlights how backup generators from data centers contribute to localized air pollution, disproportionately affecting communities of color. Tim Sywinski of Sierra Club, Virginia, criticizes the lack of safeguards, stating that AI development, which fuels the demand for these facilities, is being built on the backs of poor rural areas. He emphasizes the impossible choices faced by residents struggling with electricity costs, arguing that data center development is actively worsening their lives. From massive infrastructure projects to protecting your digital life, our next story is about cutting-edge AI defending your inbox. Get ready to see how former Google execs are tackling email threats head-on. AI warriors. Former Google security leads launch Aegis AI to block email threats. In a world where AI is empowering hackers, a new startup founded by ex-Google security chiefs is leveraging the same technology to build an impenetrable shield for your inbox. Aegis AI has just secured $13 million to deploy autonomous AI agents that stop phishing and malware before they ever reach you. Cybersecurity threats are escalating, with over 90% of attacks starting with phishing emails. What's alarming is that AI-generated phishing messages have a staggering 54% click-through rate, dwarfing human-written emails. Enter Aegis AI, co-founded by Cy Cormie and Ryan Luo, former executives from Google's Safe Browsing and Ray CAPTCHA teams. Their mission is to create an orchestrated network of AI agents that autonomously inspect, analyze, and neutralize threats in real time, moving beyond the limitations of traditional rule-based security systems. Cormie, who led Google's security efforts for its billions of users, brings invaluable experience to Aegis AI. He explained that their AI agents function like a team of buddies, each specialized in detecting different types of threats. These agents analyze every aspect of an email, links, attachments, metadata, and reason with each other to provide a verdict. Unlike static systems, Aegis AI's agents self-tune to counter evolving attack variants, aiming to drastically reduce false positives. The installation process is designed to be swift, taking mere minutes via API for Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 accounts. Aegis AI initially runs in a read-only mode before activating quarantine, providing detailed reports on detected threats. The startup, already with paying customers like Loker and Mesh Connect, plans to expand its AI agent network and scale its go-to-market strategy with the new funding. And now, for a partnership that's set to revolutionize how brands connect with shoppers online. We're diving into the exciting new integration between Criteo and Google that's changing the game for retail media. Criteo and Google forge major onsite retail media partnership. Get ready for a significant shift in the digital advertising landscape as Criteo announces a strategic integration with Google, becoming its first onsite retail media partner. This collaboration, launching as a limited beta in the Americas via Google Search Ads 360, promises to unlock new advertising opportunities for brands and retailers alike. This groundbreaking partnership allows Criteo's extensive network of over 200 retailers to tap into demand from Google Search Ads 360. Advertisers can now create and optimize campaigns directly across Criteo's retail network, a move that aims to democratize the rapidly growing retail media market. With industry forecasts predicting retail media to reach a staggering $204 billion by 2027, this integration is poised to make advertising more accessible and effective for a wider range of businesses. Bill Reardon, General Manager of Enterprise Platform at Google, emphasized the goal of building a seamless commerce media ecosystem, enabling advertisers to connect with customers at critical on-site moments. Sherry Smith, President of Retail Media at Criteo, highlighted how this partnership helps retailers grow their media programs and allows advertisers to reach high-intent shoppers more effectively. The integration also brings unified measurement capabilities, giving brands clear insights into advertising impact and facilitating smarter budget decisions. The initial beta phase in the Americas is just the beginning, with plans for global expansion and integration into additional Google marketing platform tools. This strategic alliance not only strengthens Criteo's competitive position, but also provides significant scaling opportunities. By connecting brands with Criteo's premium retail media inventory through Google's powerful ad platform, this partnership is set to drive measurable growth and redefine the future of online commerce advertising. That's all the groundbreaking news for today, but we'll be right back with a rapid-fire recap and your essential call to action. All right, Tech Titans, that's a wrap on today's Google Trends Hub. We started with Archie, the OG search engine that paved the way for Google. Then, we saw Google's massive $9 billion investment in Virginia data centers sparking community concerns. Next, former Google security leaders launched Aegis AI with $13 million to fight email threats using AI. And finally, Criteo and Google teamed up to revolutionize on-site retail media. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all socials.